See this loading animation, you can use it in your video or make it more professional. Let's watch it. So this is the loading animation created by me. Now you can customize it as you want. Like firstly I want to customize this loading bar, then go to layer panel and progress bar, click here and fill, change the fill color what you want. I am choosing red. Now see the color changed to red, and if you change the color the loading box, then click on the loading box and fill color, select a color. I am selecting yellow color, then see color change. If you want to change anything like text color, if you want to change, select the text layer and double click on the T icon, and if you want to change the text color, then here you can change the text color. I am choosing a green color choosing, then see text color also changed. You can also change the background. Here BG, if you want to another photo or another color, then go to new and solid layer. I am taking a color, just randomly I am taking a color. See background color also change. If you have photo, then place it here, your background will be changed. You can fully customize it. If you want this project file, then contact with me, I will provide. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for this type more project file, and I will full guide you. Thank you guys.